In the tropical rainforests of Cambodia, India, Myanmar, Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, and China dwells a majestic bird known as the guardian of love, the Great Hornbill. With an imposing presence, it boasts a body length exceeding 1 meter and a wingspan nearing 1.6 meters. It is recognized as a National Class 1 protected species in China and listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List. Its most striking feature is an enormous, sickle-shaped bill that occupies nearly half its body length, which is seemingly heavy, yet surprisingly lightweight. More remarkably, the male sports a warrior's helmet, a prominent casque with two distinct horn-like projections, from which its name, Great Hornbill, derives. Among birds, it is a long-lived species, typically reaching 30 to 40 years of age, with some individuals surviving up to 50 years. In China, its primary habitats are confined to parts of Yunnan and Zhejiang. Notably, the China Hornbill Valley in Dahong, Yunnan, serves as a core sanctuary for these birds. The Great Hornbill carries a reputation for profound loyalty. Once it chooses a mate, the pair bonds for life, earning them the title Birds of Love. During breeding season, they select a tall tree cavity. After the female lays eggs, the couple seals the entrance with mud, leaving only a narrow window. The female remains inside, incubating the eggs and nurturing the chicks for weeks without emerging. Meanwhile, the male single-handedly shoulders the responsibility of providing food and guarding the nest, braving all weather conditions. When the breeding cycle concludes, the female and chicks successively leave the nest, embracing the forest and skies anew. For the male, this marks the end of his most arduous role as both partner and provider.